This is the RC Jet Jock. What's going on, guys? I'm Matt, the RC Jet Jock. Well, we're not all about jets. I just happen to fly them for a living. We focus on fixed wing RC aviation, and we throw in some full scale whenever we get the chance because it's pretty cool. Now, as you can tell, this is not the MU2. We are actually working on it. We have glue drawing inside the house on that project. So we figured while we're waiting, we would get the CY Models 100-inch wingspan bird dog out here on a really rough field. So we're going to put these Tundra tires to the test. Now, before we get started, for all you new people, welcome to our channel. And if y'all haven't, please follow us on social media, on Facebook, where we post all kinds of things, just talking about the different things that we do throughout our day. So I guess that's enough yapping. Are you ready to get going, Beluga Girl? By the way, Beluga Girl's on the camera. Give her some love. Say hi, Beluga Girl.
Hi.
All right.
Like, share, subscribe.
And we got Donkey Girl in the background. So here we go.
Hope it doesn't do a handstand flatback. Whee!
Wonky.
Still got it.
What'd you think of that?
It was scary at the same. It was funny and scary.
I forgot you have to use a lot of rudder with this plane.
Don't go get stuck in the trees.
I'm trying not to.
Airplane won't let you. Ah!
That was kind of cool, huh?
Yeah.
It turns better to the right than the left.
Not another over my head low pass.
That's like my worst nemesis, to have an airplane that really sucks turning to the left.
Why, do you like turning to the right?
I like turning to the left. Here comes a low pass. Donkey Girl, come behind me.
I just didn't catch its tail.
Okay, that doesn't sound right.
Yeah, I was thinking, why does it sound like a gas motored airplane right now?
Yeah, I'm coming in for landing.
Is it missing a wheel?
No, it's not missing a wheel. It just doesn't sound right.
The wheels did awesome. Did you check the whole airplane for rat chews? Do I need to move?
Woo!
Donkey Girl, move.
Well, we got it on the ground. I don't want to taxi it too much. Oh, that a whole lot of not right scene with that flight, huh?
Yeah, usually it like stops.
Huh?
Usually it like stops midway at the
That
runway.
wasn't a bad landing though.
Yeah.
Now, all right. So,
Is it just me or is the airplane a little wonky looking?
well, it's probably roughed it up pretty good. I'll be curious to see if I have a tail wheel left.
That will let's say one thing. If you do have one, then that's a good back wheel. And if it's not, it's an awful back wheel.
Is that how that goes?
Mm-hmm. You still got a back wheel.
Hey, it's still on there. I didn't bend anything at least.
Can it still move?
Yeah, I don't know what was going on. I'm gonna turn the safety on.
Maybe when
Double check it. There we go. No, everything seems fine.
Unless there's a mouse to the wire where you can't see it.
No, I mean everything's working. Oh well. So, yeah. I would say that's a success. Should we try it one more time?
No.
No? Are you sure? I got 3 minutes left on my timer.
No.
Come on, one more time.
No. I don't want you crashing.
I think we should do it again.
I'm not.
All right, here we go.
Can I pause?
We're gonna do it again.
Can I pause?
Yeah, you can pause. All right, so we're gonna do attempt number 2. I couldn't find anything wrong with the airplane, so I figured, well, we'll just send it up again and do another landing for you guys. How about that?
Just don't make it long.
Okay, I'll try not to make it long.
What in the world is that?
Yeah.
Still doesn't sound right to me. I wonder how that little cricket feels up there.
I doubt the cricket hung on.
Dude, you can't be scaring me like that.
Yeah, I didn't like that.
That. Can you land it?
Why?
It's scaring me.
Okay.
You might have to take this whole airplane apart and see what's wrong with
I
it.
don't think anything's wrong with it.
Make sure there's no wires chewed back there.
Alright. Landing with the tailwind again, because I did not like that approach last time.
Ah! I just stepped in a mesquite tree. Ah! Whee!
Not bad. Not bad at all. This is actually a pretty fun airplane to land. I didn't notice anything too sketch that time, did you? Other than my bad flying skills?
Huh?
Huh?
What do you mean by that?
What?
What do you mean by your bad flying skills?
My lack of rudder control.
Hmm.
All right, so anyway, guys, we've got the bird dog down in one piece. I really hope that y'all enjoyed some real Tundra flying or bush flying. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we will see you back with another MU2 update really soon. We'll talk to you later. Bye.
Bye.